Okana West 2 ward in a Senodem local government. A Senodem has the largest vote outside Uyo, and I know that in 2027 you will turn out like this. This is what is happening in the 11 wards of a Senodem, and then they have collected all, and we are going to Uyo so that the panel that came from Abuja can now announce the vote of Akwa Ibom. So mine is standing like this, and you can see my Yoruba cap. I'm well dressed on behalf of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I can tell you that this is the way it will be in 2027. I believe Nigeria will re-elect him for his transformative ideas.
The election and nomination has been concluded, and the contest was between the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and Mr. Sifo Stanley. Mr. Sifo Stanley scored 0, and overwhelmingly, the good people of Okana West 2 have unanimously returned the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Emir.